Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Does this look familiar? It's Craft Buddy. Yes, one of them brilliant, fantastic, awesome, high quality companies out there in the United Kingdom. Just want to say, I just want to apologise that there was no unboxing video on Friday. Unfortunately, due to a allocation error, I accidentally put a whipping chat up instead of the unboxing, so that'll be back to normal from next week. Before we even dive into this, I just want to give a massive shout out to Jenny's Crafting Zone. Her video was next in my queue to watch, and oh my god, what I saw, I was just right, I had to get this item. I'm so happy right now. So yeah, I'm excited, I'm buzzing, I can't wait to show you it. So let's get into this. Now before we get into that, there is a new thing coming out from A Jungle of Misunderstood, An Ocean Down Under, and Safari. And apparently there's these new things called Crystal Wildlife Buddies. And over here, look at this, we have got a lion, a snake, a turtle, a spider, and a koala bear. That one just looks lovely. And from what I understand, it's 20 unique animals to design and collect in Craft, 5 exciting habitats, so safari, ocean, jungle, down under, which means like Australia, and then we've got misunderstood as well. Apparently $4.99, absolutely brilliant. Crystal Art Wildlife Buddies, from zebras and turtles to parrots, koalas and bats, collect intriguing animals from around the globe. So as you can see, they're on a wooden plinth, so this is going to be very similar to like the little Harry Potter one that I did on the plinth, but I've got to get these are fantastic, and I think Hannah, you're going to love that one there because you love your birds. I love animals, all sorts of animals, so I think this is going to be a really beautiful collection. You know, they've got different themes as well, from, as I said, safari, jungle, ocean. I'm not really understanding what a misunderstood theme is, but obviously bats, I'm part of the Bat Conservation Trust, have been for a number of years, and I love bats very much, especially the pipistrelle bat. A really lovely bat, that one. So these will be my next thing to get, and oh my god, I am so excited right now. Craft Buddy are amazing. They have only gone and rang out Harry Potter. You know that Disney 100 Years of Wonder sticker album? They've got a Harry Potter one. And I was watching Jenny's channel, didn't even, I thought it was just like a canvas, and it turned out it's a album. So Jenny, if you're watching, I cannot thank you enough, literally cannot thank you enough. I am so excited about this project. You know how much I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter. The amount of memorabilia I have on it is yeah, I just love it. It's brilliant. And it was funny because a few weeks ago I was saying, I wonder if they will bring out another album, and here we are. They're listening, people, so that's great. So in here it's 102 to collect. Now the bundle, I got the bundle pack, and you do get yourself a 2 packs, I think, in here. And if no, I've noticed like a little tray craft pack. Now I wonder, we don't know if there's going to be any specials in here. I hope we do, but I don't know if they're going to do the same way as Disney 100 Years of Wonder, where they'll sell the individual stickers, or whether they're going to do the mystery packs. I really hope they bring back the mystery packs, because I like to be surprised on what I get. So yeah, this is going to be really nice for my Harry Potter theme, which at the moment I'm not entirely sure when it will be this year, but it will be some point this year. And in here we have the actual pack. Now I think I think it was $4.99, I can't remember now, but yeah, it was very nicely priced. And as you can see in here, I mean, these presentation packs are so nice, you just don't want to open them. But we've got 3 stickers in there. As you can see, you don't know what they are. We've also got another pack, and we've also got this little toolkit. Now this is the album itself. Look how gorgeous this looks. It looks like one of them Panini sticker albums. Back in the day I used to do the Beano sticker album when I was a wee teenager, and I used to well, it might have been a bit younger than that, but I used to collect the Beano one, and every week I would go in and get my stickers to fill up the album. It wasn't diamond painting back then, but it was like little stickers. And inside here, look at this. Explore the magic, discover the enchantment. Welcome to Craft Buddy Harry Potter Crystal Art, featuring 102 beautiful detailed storytelling images that bring the enchanting world of Hogwarts to life through your creativity. Relive Harry Potter's epic journey as you collect and discover stickers portraying his adventures. From the sorting hat ceremony to playing Quidditch, there are countless memories to explore from the beloved film series. Immerse yourself in familiar themes of friendship, bravery, and magic through the crafting of your very own collection of crystal art stickers, beautifully displayed in this very special album. Start your collection today and let your crystallized crafting magic unfold in your hands, and I really can't be asked to read the rest. And in here, look at that. That is just a beautiful poster. It says, just because you're allowed to use magic now does not mean you have to whip your wands out for every time. Sorry, for everything. I'm so excited about it. I can't get the words out. It's all getting jumbled up. But look at this. So again, very similar to the Disney one. We've got all the characters here, so we've got things like Ron, Hermione, Harry Potter, we've got Severus Snape down here, we've got Gary Wonder, Victor Crumb, Quidditch World Cup, and wouldn't it be nice if they could do the golden snitch in like a gold sticker? Like that should be a special. I love this cream page because that matches my pencil case that I've got. And then of course we've got that lovely Hogwarts Express here. As you can see, the Grand Hall there. The Quidditch field where they play Quidditch. That looks like Diagon Alley. And then here, all this is going to be the mystery ones, isn't it? And then we got the castle. And then look at that, a cauldron of some sort. And oh, that's looks like wrapping paper. Oh wow. And then in here, oh look at that, that's gorgeous. Moony Wormtail, Padfoot and Prongs are proud to present the Marauders map in Maridutium. I can't pronounce that, but oh, so excited to get these. So yeah, 102 stickers to collect. Let's get into what we've got here. So in here we have a beautifully designed crystal art toolkit. So in here, I don't really want to open it. It's just so beautifully packaged, you know, and that's what your money goes into as well. It goes into like the product. Some of the money gets allocated to like making up the beautiful personalized envelopes and stuff. So yeah, Craft Buddy, I've always enjoyed their products. They're so beautifully designed. Oh wow, okay, I've noticed something here straight away. They've changed this pen. You see these like little lines on the pen. That's a recycled tube. Oh wow, so they've took the plastic away and using like a very hard cardboard. Oh wow. So yeah, it's nice. There's in the UK we've got this big thing about like companies have got to try to reduce the amount of plastic being you know, developed. So all the companies are trying to minimize that. But yeah, that's a tube pen. Wow, that's our first pen. We got a very sort of low bags, not very many bags actually, in one piece of wax. So yeah, right, let's get into here and see what we got. Please Lord, I pray that we've got a special. I really would love to have a special, especially on like the first pack. So fingers crossed, let's hope that we've got one. But if not, never mind. That's the adventure of keep collecting. So I think these are $3.99 a pack at the moment. And it's funny because when I was on the Facebook group, they were obviously launching the, you know, the pin badges that they're doing, and I didn't see this, so I must have missed it or scrolled past it, but I've not seen this. So let's cut that off a bit more. I'll tell you something, Roxanne, you need something like this because you would love these sticker albums. I really hope. I think the next album I want is Marvel. Definitely Marvel. Paula would love that. Could you imagine Paula like doing your own Marvel like diamond painting? So in here, you just, my hand's already in this and you can just feel the quality on it. So already we have Hufflepuff. Wow. So this is I actually did Hufflepuff. It's like a little coaster. So that's our first one. Very nice colours, black and yellow and black there. Really lovely one that is. And the next one we have is... Oh, wow, Jenny, we've got the same one, look. The three-headed dog. Oh, yes, wow. When I looked at Jenny's, I could only see like these two heads. I didn't even know there was a head there until I sort of like looked a bit closer. But yeah, we've got the three-headed dog. And what else is our next one? Oh, It is Ron. We've got Ron, I think. What number is he? 026. I'm just going to check that because I don't think it looks Ron. He looks like the chap that... I think he does spells. Number 26 is Professor Lockhart. Yeah, see, I know my characters, guys, because straight away I knew that couldn't be Ron. So in here we've got some beautiful colours, really lovely pastel ones. We're going to keep them in here for now until I can get round to, you know, diamond painting them. We've got the very lovely colours here, so like browns and a black. And then we've also got ourselves this beautiful yellow black bumblebee colour with the two light grey and a brown. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have here, which is our next pack. Unfortunately, we haven't had a special yet. So unfortunately, as I say, when you pray, sometimes the answer is yes, and God might grant that. If, you know, sometimes it's a no. So, you know, it is what it is, but I really hope on this one here, please. I just want a special. I think we, did we have a special the first time with Disney? I don't know. But, oh my God, like, I just want to keep ordering these packs now. Like, they're so, like, we haven't had a duplicate yet, so, yeah. I imagine, though, I mean, if I've got the three-headed dog already, that must mean that that dog is in all of the packs, like the bundle packs. I don't know. Whew, let's see what we got in here. Oh, my bloody hell. He looks angry, doesn't he? Jesus. Oh, my God. He doesn't look very happy, does he? Gosh. Okay. Wow. I don't know who that is yet. It's not Mad Eye Moody, so I don't think it is that yet. And then, oh, we've got one that's the other way around. Right, let's have a look here. So this is number 075. Let's have a look at that chap, see who he is. 075 is coming up as Peter Pettigrew. Oh gosh, I don't remember him, but Peter Pettigrew apparently, but he looks very angry. And then the next one we have here is... I feel like this is a special. I don't know. It could be, it could not. Oh, wow. We've got the scarf. Wow. Oh, that's brilliant. So our first, like, clothing item, if you like, because I don't think I've ever done a sticker that's a clothing. So, oh, that's brilliant. Absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. And then the last one that we've got here is... Oh, my God, we got bookmark. No way. Oh, wow. Expelliarmus. Yes. Oh, that is gorgeous, isn't it? And he is partial as well. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I like that. So, once again, in this colour here, we've got some greens and browns and beige. And then in here, we've also got ourselves a yellow and a red. And then in this one here, we have ourselves a white, a sort of green colour, a brown, and a couple of... I think dark brown and black there. So overall we have got a fabulous set of stickers to work from here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then where's my others gone? Under here we have 4, 5, 6. I think my absolute favourite out of all of that has to be that bookmark. I wasn't expecting a bookmark in that, but as I say, get the bundle pack because you get your sticker album, you get 2 packs of stickers with each consisting 3 in each sticker in each pack. So yeah, this has just come perfect timing for my Harry Potter theme. As I'm doing another Harry Potter theme, I'm always on the lookout for, you know, Harry Potter related stuff. So I am absolutely so happy with this product. I mean, as I say, I cannot thank Jenny enough, because if Jenny didn't do that video, I would never have knew this existed, because I am subscribed to their newsletters, but that email line is only checked like periodically, or when I'm in like a spending mood. I don't check it every day because it's not my main line. So, and I didn't see it on Facebook, so I also do not just like go on the website and see what they've got, because I could take each company in turn. So one week I might spend with Temu, the next week it might be The Range, then it might be Fancels, or it might be, you know, just for example, but I don't just stick with the same company. So yeah, if Jenny didn't do that video, I would never have knew about this. So Jenny, you'll have to let me know what ones we've got, what ones. Well, I've watched the video, but I definitely know we've got the same of the dog, but I don't know if you've got any of my ones or I've got you. Maybe we could do swapsies. Like if I've got one that you need, you could send it to me and I send my one to you. Couldn't we? We could do like I mean, there must be a way we can like do it on YouTube where we can do like a swap session or some sort. I mean, I know there's Facebook groups that do that, but yeah, I mean, back in the day, I think it was Westminster Collection, Coin Collection, you used to be able to, was it Coin Club? One of the two. But there was a website where you could like exchange coins, so that you had like all of them. But I can imagine people selling these on Vinted, because diamond paintings are all over Vinted. So yeah, I think people are going to start to sell these off, but I'm literally so excited. I'm probably going to start these tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel, that'll be great. And also, if you want to buy this for yourself, the link is in the description of the video. Please order quick, because I believe Jenny got hers on a pre-order. I've got mine after that order, so I think this will sell out pretty quick. But please get shopping with Craft Buddy. Fantastic company. And I think my next purchase is going to be another pack of these, and probably get that turtle or the snake. I'm torn between that, but then again, I like that koala. There's so many lovely ones. I think that giraffe will look quite nice. I can see Liz doing this as well. She loves a lot of Craft Buddy. She has discount codes as well, so it might be worth asking her for some discount codes. She's given me them in the past, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, and it looks like you get like little fact cards as well with them. So I'd have to put that next to Timmy's tank, because we've got a tortoise, and I'd just put it on the shelf near his tank. But yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. Just makes you want to spend more and more, doesn't it? But anyway, thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next Friday for another unboxing video. Bye bye now.